Howdy, howdy, howdy. Guess what time it is? It's finally arrived. Actually, you can see over there. Where's my finger? Right there. You can see some of the paint over there. I'll get to that in a minute. But anyway, it's time. Let's build this thing. All the supplies have arrived other than the body paint. Like I said, you guys are going to decide the color on that. Becky's sitting here behind me. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
But
You got to speak up because you're way over there in the corner.
What about the interior?
We got all the colors.
Okay.
But
hi, everybody.
Yeah, here. She's. I can't. I'm clamped to this.
Don't do it.
Alrighty. We have camera mounts coming too to do different angles of this too.
Wow.
All our stuff is worn out. We haven't done this in a while. But anyway, let's get to showing you what we got. Yeah. Let's show you the paint.
Hey, everybody. I'm here
Told
to
you.
supervise.
Yeah.
We need all
Sitting
the
way
help
over
we
there.
can get. There's buggies out here.
Anyway, here's the paint. Yeah, we're out here in the clubhouse. Here's the paint. Tamaya. I've never used this brand before. I always use testers. But that's all the paint. I think I said there was 9, but I was wrong. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These two are the same color. 8, 9. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 colors. I forgot paint thinner. And in this town, you're gonna pay an arm and a leg for paint thinner. $1.50 nail polish remover at Dollar General. That's paint thinner for $1.50. I forgot I used to use this as a kid, as nail polish removers. Step 1. It's very simple. 2 engine halves. Paint the engines. The front engine, well, the engine block is going to be black, and the transmission is going to be flat aluminum. So we're going to pull. I think we're just going to paint them on a tree, and then when they dry, cut them off and then touch them up if I need to. Got the instructions. Well, we already know what we're doing.
Sure about that?
Yeah. Hey, no comments from the peanut gallery. Anyway,
It is Roy we're talking about.
this part black, this part aluminum. Oops, we don't get no paint. Let's get this stirred up. I'm using one of the, we have so many paint brushes, I'm using one of the paintbrush handles. This is how I used to stir it all the time when I was a kid. It's just, testers was never this thin. That is pretty thin. Ain't dripping off there yet. There it goes. Oh, maybe not. That looks pretty thick. Let's stir some more. Testers would get all chunky sometimes. Oh yeah, we're dripping now. I seen it drip when I pulled it out of there. See that? I don't have any sample pieces to try this on yet.
Do you want a piece of paper towel?
No, hand me the box. Oh, that's good
That's
coverage.
pretty good.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah.
get this in the paint thinner.
Mm.
Looks pretty good. Like I said, the head will cover this. You just want to paint along the edges in case they lift a little bit and you can't see a white seam under there. And that I didn't really need to paint the whole way, but one swipe about covered it, so I just finished it. All right, now I'll do the other one. And Becky's going in. Let's paint the front.
Later, everybody.
Later. Edges painted on that. Oh man, I'm pretty impressed with this Tamiya paint so far. I hope the rest of it is just as good as this black. There's a hole there. I wonder what that goes. Oh, probably for the exhaust. The exhaust manifold. These ain't the best brushes for this. $1.50 at Walmart, but they're doing a job because I am rough on brushes when it comes to building models. I used to be. I more likely still am. Get in there. There's a little bit of a seam in there I couldn't get in. Well, I think all the visible areas are painted for the block. Alrighty, we're gonna let that dry and then we gotta come back and paint the transmission. Okie dokie. Engine blocks dry. Real dry to the touch. Oh, and my apologies on the last one, painting that engine block. The camera's on the left side of the phone, not dead center, which put me way over here. So, yes. Try to keep it centered a little more. Anyway, the black, if this does bleed in with any of the silver, if I do it right, it'll create shadows where it needs to. So, all right, I'm gonna get to mixing. Flat, where's it at? Right there, flat aluminum. Let's get to mixing this up. Again, ooh, this is gonna take a little. I'm gonna put it down here more solid. There's this one, now it's thin, except in the center. This one was thick, but oh yeah, look at that. Whoa. Maybe. That's what testers used to do right there. But it's mixing up rather nice though. Testers was a good product back in the day. It mixed up rather nice too. And if it didn't, you put a little paint thinner with it, it was fine. But Hobby Lobby, they used to have the best selection of model paints in the business. But their selection's horrible now. Alright. Yep, almost. Did I splash? Oh, I splashed up on the... I didn't get it on me. Yep, I think it's mixed. Mixed up rather nice. Like I said, maybe not. I'm up. See, look, I'm getting paint on me already. Yep, I ain't lost that trait. Okay, it's mixed. Alright, let me get this in the paint thinner. I really don't need to clean my hands off yet, because I'm not touching a body or nothing. Hey, now let's get centered up on this camera. Again, my apologies. Oop, I went too far in it. Okay, let's start in the back. Let's get this painted up. Yep, that's the color of a transmission. And for now, I'm going to stay away from the black for now. Any black that I splashed over? Yeah, as I say that, I paint right over one. Let's just do it anyway, see what happens. I'm not going to know with this Tamiya unless I try it. Like testers, you would have to wait until it got good and dry. It would blend really easy. Okay, I painted the transmission and it wasn't even recording on this second half. But there it is. We just gotta wait for it to dry now, and we'll glue them together. But I got, oh, nope, not fully done. I missed a whole big white spot right there, so get that, put them, okay. All painted. Howdy. It's the next day. Here's our parts all painted up. Okay, let's do this then. All right. Just trim this up a little bit. There's that. And there. Same thing. They actually make a tool to snip them off the trees. I've never had one. All right, we take our emery board. Sand that down a little bit. Lay some glue a stick, that's flush. Take this one down. That seems okay right there. We'll have to come back later and touch up where there. Touch up where they was on the tree. Okay. Snap together. Come on. Well, not snap, but. All right. They're fitted. So what we're going to do, we're going to use the other glue because there is gaps, which is this glue. Oh, over here. This glue. Right there. I don't know how to say it. Oh, it's a brush. Okay. I'm used to tubes, not brushes. Let's put some on a little snappy thing. Put some here where they're not going to see it. Well, this is fast drying glue. Okay, we're right there. Where's the other one at? Oh, up here. Okay, let's put some here, some there. Alright, let's put it together. Get it there, get it there. Ooh, more the other way, Hold it together. I believe is done. Oh, and I did paint the oil filter blue. Come on, focus. Blue, blue, focus. Well, anyway, it's blue. Camera's not cooperating. And now we wait. On to step 2.